Hi, this is Bill for Sparky Channel. Today, I'd like to introduce you to the new Milwaukee M12 Fuel half-inch hammer drill, which Milwaukee claims is the most powerful subcompact hammer drill driver on the market. This tool is called subcompact because it's only 6 inches in length, 7 inches in width without the battery, and weighs only 2 pounds 2.6 ounces as a bare tool, and 3 pounds 1 ounce with a 4 amp hour battery. Maximum RPM is 1550 and peak torque is 400 inch-pounds. The very short 6 inches in length makes this drill the shortest solution in its class, offering the most access into tight spaces. The drill has an all-metal half-inch chuck and an all-metal gear case, which should deliver excellent durability. The drill has 13 mechanical clutch settings to give you the correct torque for driving fasteners. Setting 1 through 3 can be used for small screws, such as cabinet screws. Setting 4 through 6 are for medium cabinet screws and fine thread drywall screws. Setting 7 through 10 are for large cabinet screws and coarse thread drywall screws. Settings 11 through 13 can be used for deck screws, and the drill setting is used for drilling, but it can also be used for large screws. The hammer setting can be used for drilling in plaster and concrete. The hammer drill feature can deliver up to 25,000 blows per minute. The drill comes with a battery indicator and a belt hook. The tool comes with a 2-speed transmission. Speed 1 will give you from 0 to 450 RPM. Speed 2 will give you from 0 to 1550 RPM. I'll start off with a 3/4 inch screw. I'm going to be in speed number 2 and torque setting number 5. There we go. Very nice. Now I'll use a 1 1/4 inch screw, and I'm going to change it to torque setting number 7, and I'll stay on speed number 2. Oh, very nice. Very nice. I added another 2x8 here, and I'm going to change my torque setting to 9, and I'm going to use a 2-inch screw. Oh, very nice. Okay, that was torque setting 9, speed 2. Now I'm going to put on a 3/8 inch drill bit and tighten down the chuck. You hear the clicks. That indicates that it's tightened down. So I'm going to put this on drill. Put that right on drill. And here we go. Wow, that's quite impressive. That's 5 holes just like that, 3/8 inch. Now I've inserted a 5/16 inch concrete bit. I have it on speed number 2, and I will turn it to hammer drill. Okay, so I'm at hammer drill, speed number 2, and I have a little piece of tape at about 1 inch. So here we go. Okay, there you go. Just drilled 1 inch, 5/16 with a M12 tool, with a 12-volt tool. Isn't that amazing? The bare tool costs around $149, and the kit, which includes 2 batteries, costs about $179. The kit, which includes the new M12 impact driver, costs about $229. In conclusion, I think this new hammer drill driver is amazingly versatile and is ruggedly built. I'll put links in my video description for this tool as a bare tool and as a kit. I'll also put a link for the kit that includes this tool and the new Milwaukee M12 impact driver. Also, I'll put a link for the 75-piece SHOCKWAVE impact drill and drive set. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.
Tools.